like out here. As you can hear the sirens, this is real gray. Say it's a tornado somewhere deep out there. I don't see it, but it does look like I don't know. At any moment, something crazy could go down. Right now, I'm on the 29th floor. I was on the 28th, but they made us all go to the stairs. Yeah, I know you're probably wondering, if you're supposed to be on the stairs, why are you up here in the window taking pictures? That's because everybody else is. Oh, if everybody jump off a building, would you do it? Well, obviously I would, because I'm on the 29th floor and we're supposed to be having tornadoes and stuff. So, yeah. They said there's something in Overland Park, which is that direction. I don't see anything. Yeah, it looked real scandalous. Just trifling.